right, today we're going to bring a beautiful power bank. If you guys can see, this looks like a heart, all right? And this is a little more like a digital cyberpunk heart. If you guys can see, there's very good details that they have in the actual heart itself, but it's a power bank. That's pretty much what it is. And this is going to power a couple devices. You could power a type C or a type A directly, or type A to type C. And this is good to carry around. Also, they give you a little area where you could take the adhesive off and, you know, pretty much set it up. So this is going to be needed to be charged too. All right, so you are going to need to charge it, but this will last you for a long time. All right, a couple hours of charging should be good enough for a road trip. But I like the design, beautiful design. They do have multiple colors. You could paint this if you want, if you don't like this color, but this is very unique. It has different styles. They look like more like a steampunk versus cyberpunk. So we're going to go ahead and plug in devices from here. We're going to plug in our type A. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. It does come with cable too. And then when you turn it on, look at this. Look at this. You see a little button here? You turn it on. It says we're at 99% right now. And you can set this up however you want. Bring your devices. We're going to plug in our phone, all right, to plug it in and charge it. So right now, we're going to see our phone charging right there. It's at right now we have about an hour to charge, it says. So not that bad. And then of course we have our iPad. We're going to go ahead and unplug this and connect our iPad in here. And look at that. Our iPad starts charging. It's at 21%. We're 99. Everything's pretty much static. All right. You can't really do anything. You can't move any of the devices. It's more for display. It's more like a better, if you have a cyberpunk setup in your house, or you want to have something very unique, eye-catching, this is perfect for you guys. So it's a little heart, like you guys see. It makes a great gift too. Very important, when you're going to charge this, it charges through here, right? Just make sure, be aware that when you're charging the actual device, you plug in your device directly. This is going to be for input only, all right? So plug it in, and then what you want to do is get a type C connection, plug it in, and look at that. It's going to start charging. When it goes to 100, you should be good. So that's where you actually charge the device itself, all right? If you ever need to recharge this system, all right? These two are for output any devices. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.